Lovely. We love each other.
In a tree.
Why I'm looking for a job because
Are you kidding, right?
no.
Really?
While you and me repeat this bittersweet heat.
Morning, what's wrong? Morning, guys. I was like this, sleeping like this. You know what he did? He and he slept here, the whole body. Dudo nga, anong nagniwang mo na siya na problema na siya diha?
Oh, I need a baggie.
Ha?
I need a baggie.
Put that in there now. I have your son over here. Yes, I have to hold this man because
he's excited.
while Sam is cutting, he'll start eating it one by one.
No, he won't. He don't do that, but he does crawl on the table, and I don't like that. Somebody wants you.
Did you get a hot water?
Yeah, thank you. That doesn't work. That doesn't make any difference. As long as it's lower in temperature, doesn't matter how much lower. Like no difference at all. Yeah. It's not like you're actually controlling the heat. You're just telling it to send it somewhere else.
This is our life, guys. You don't have a kid, guys? Get a cat.
You can be an old cat lady.
And yeah, and then get a turkey, feed him turkey, and this is what you're gonna have.
And then you'll be eating cat food.
You're gonna be a...
Cat food is more expensive than people food nowadays.
Yeah, that's true.
Hey,
Roxy!
hey, hey.
Roxy!
Bothering the kittens.
Oh my god! Dimples too! What is that, Dimps?
What?
Dimples! You grab Roxy's hair. Ay nako.
Huh?
Wow, she grabbed Roxy's hair and now she's
Yeah, because
eating it.
Roxy's bothering her.
You put it up. Okay, I'll bring you over here. Okay. Where's Dimples?
I tilted my head, just like you tilted your head.
Yeah, because she's you're talking to her.
I am talking to her. I am talking to you. I'm talking to you. I'm not scratching your butthole.
No, not a hole.
I'm scratching your hiney.
Honey. Come here, honey. You're not honey. Honey. Hi, honey. Hello, Dada. Hello.
And I'm scratching your belly.
Hello, Dada.
Your belly. Oh, the belly. Oh, belly scratch. Oh, belly scratch.
so
Whoa,
good.
belly scratch.
Oh, so good. Oh, so good.
Belly scratch. Oh, belly. And the Misty Monkey wants to be scratched too.
Hello, baby. Hello, baby. Hello, baby. Hello, love. And Roxy, every time you carry her hand, she's like wiggle everywhere.
Because you're not holding her, she's not comfortable while you hold her.
Need to cut this one, guys. I really want him to cut it. Can you cut it, hon? It's summer already, baby. And then there's no reason for you. You do it in winter. No, it's summer. I leave you alone in winter though.
You don't.
Yes, do. I do. I do, hon.
Yeah. Well, Christmas is over. Shave it. Oh.
Oh my god, Roxy, you're funny, Rox. I love you. You love me. We love each other.
In a tree.
It smells so good, boy. I wanna go somewhere today. Han, what's in here, Han? That one there.
Pimple.
It's itching and kind of hurt a little bit, but more itchy.
As I explained,
Pimple.
I was concerned about
Oh, whitehead on it.
Your favorite squishing thing? Anyway, guys, I'm just gonna be lovey-dovey with my baby. Lovey-dovey with my baby. Oh, guys, in Monday, he told me. Did you told me? Monday, we're gonna have a date night.
Yeah.
Just the two of us. Date night Monday. We're going to my favorite restaurant. IHOP. I said IHOP. What is it? IHOP? What is it then?
I don't know. We'll see what's up there.
What's up there? We need to go to my favorite.
We're gonna be up there.
I know, but we need to go to my favorite.
Well, you can go to Red Lobster or Outback or whatever's up there, I guess. I'm sure Red Lobster for sure is up there.
There's no Outback over there.
I'm sure there is. Well, I'm not really sure. I'm guessing there is.
I love Outback and I love Red Lobster.
There's Chili's, I'm sure, up there.
No, I don't want Chili's, son.
Chili's really good.
It's my.
I know you're
Okay,
picking.
then we go to his freaking Chili's.
No, you're picking. I'm not picking. I'm just telling you. You've never been there, so you don't know.
We did.
No,
With Rich. Remember when Rich?
We didn't go to Chili's.
Yes, we did.
Fridays.
No.
Fridays. Not Chili's. That was Fridays.
Chili's is the one that we will get the soup, spicy one with Rich. That's like late
We
dinner.
went to TGI Fridays. We did not go to Chili's.
I don't know what I'm gonna do today, guys. It's probably boring vlog, but thank you anyway for watching. I appreciate it, right, Han? Even though it's not like, you know, other vlogger, but a lot of you watch. Thank you guys so much. Say good morning, oi.
Oi, oi.
Oh my god, I'm not gonna do it. Oh my guys. Somebody asked me, somebody asked me, I forgot her name, but if you are watching, this is the pants that I'm using, the White Beauty Pearl Cream. I don't know, it won't focus, but yeah, the mask, I'm gonna do it in the other house because it's in the other. Honestly, I don't remember what it is. They just get up. Look, tired? Are you tired? No. Tired. No. That's where she tried to jump. You're trying to jump in the back. You can't do that. And it's kind of cold. Mama need a jacket. I need a jacket. I need a jacket. Hi guys. I'm heading to... Medyo masakit-sakit yung ulo ko. My head is kind of hurting right now. And so I'm heading to... the destination that I want to go. Let's wear glasses. It's kind of weird, but I'm gonna wear glasses. I will bring you to where I'm going. There's car coming. There's car coming. I bring my camera, guys, because I want to film in that place. I've been there. I've been there with my sister-in-law and my mother-in-law, but I just want to go there quick, and hopefully I can get the sunset. Okay, guys, I am here right now, but the thing is, I don't see any bird. Probably they come here very late. Time check, it's 3:32 in the afternoon. I've been filming myself, guys, like crazy. I'm an idiot, guys. I'm telling you, I'm an idiot. Huh? I did time lapse, and then I time lapse myself again. I've been talking here for minutes already, and then I'm time lapsing myself. Some people here are bringing some drone. Yeah, they bring drone, they have kite. I have the cracklings with me right here, and it's very salty and vinegary. And also I bring some other stuff that I can have something like the gummies and water. And I also bring my other camera right here for filming, you know, the birds and whatever far distance that I can film. I remember, guys, I don't know you guys if you remember, from only Filipino can you know, remember this thing, or some Filipinos actually. Do you remember that tansan, guys? The cup of the soda. You know, yung coke sa atin, guys, na botelya. We collect the cup and then we flatten it, and then we kind of make a hole in the middle, and then we kind of just like play with like that. It's it's like twisting, it's like turning really fast, and then you have to fight from the other person to cut the rope. I don't know if you guys remember that. Oh my god, I love that game. And also guys, I'm also going to talk something about, few of you guys like the sound effect that I make on my video. Do you guys like the sound effect? Okay guys, I'm just gonna film this drone over here. It's nice. There's people over there with the drone, guys. It's really nice, and with a kite and stuff like that. So it's nice. It's kind of expensive drone, I see. You see that I put a clip here. Please give me a thumbs up, guys, this video if you do like the sound effect, the music that I add on into my video. Just let me know. Hit the thumbs up button, guys. And are you having fun with the sound effect? It makes me love editing, guys. And yeah, so just give me a thumbs up, guys, if you do. If you do like. And also, yeah, the music. I'm talking about the music. Okay, guys, the music. The music, guys. I feel some of you guys ask of where I got my music. I got my music from NC's release. Just type on in YouTube NC's release. That's where I get most of my music. And also you can go to YouTube royalty, and they have the non-copyright music. They have it. And if you go to NC's release YouTube, they have, you can just copy it. The only thing that they want for you to do is copy, put the YouTube channel they have in your description box of your video. That's what they want. And the music you use, you have to have that, the address, you know, like the URL, you know, thing. Okay, also guys, I'm gonna answer some question also why I'm looking for a job, because one of the viewer, I think, I'm not sure who, and I'm not totally remember what the comment was, like, why you're looking for a job, Tommy can afford, Tommy can do that, you know. Well, actually guys, you know, remember you say we got a house, and I want to help Tommy. I want to help to pay the bills, and it's my, you know, it's, I really want to just help, because, you know, it's nice when me and Tommy's working, and there is some, because, you know, like, it's nice when you are like working and then you have your earnings, and then you can help your husband. If I'm going back into this vlog, today is the day that I first ever helped my husband to pay the bills. Today I wrote a check to pay some of the bills, because now we have a house, you know, it's time for me to help. Okay guys, I'm distracted with these people, guys. It's nice just to look everybody here. It feels good, guys. It's not big, it's not ridiculously big like other wife over there that, you know, they're sharing half of the bill. But well, for me in the beginning, it just really feels so good, and I'm very thankful to you guys. Honestly, I am very thankful that you guys watch my video, hit the like. Yeah, you watch my video, you hit the like button, and I like when you do hit the like button, guys. It's not gonna kill us, guys. Just click the hit button. Click the hit button. Click the like button. I keep saying hit. Just click the like button, guys. Guys, I really do appreciate, guys, if you just click the like button. Just click it. One click, done. You don't have to remember it. If I can kiss you one by one, I will do. Yeah, I will. I'm gonna hug you too and slap your butt. Huh? Very romantic. And also, guys, I'm gonna insert about the music. Do you like it, guys? The intro that of my video. You let me know, guys, if you do like the intro. And well, some people are asking me, that's a nice song. If you continue that song, if you wanna go to YouTube and just look the title of that, Heart Afire, I will put right here. Well, actually this song, guys, is always in my video. Wherever, if you go to my video, all the videos, if you go to my videos, you can see it in the description box. And you know, you can just go NC's release, Heart Afire. Afire is one word. And so yeah, it's really easy, and then it's a really nice song. Actually, I like it. That's why I put it in my intro. Insert Tommy's laugh, because I like it too. Most people are curious what kind of editing software I use. Is the Final Cut Pro X, and I use it every day, as you notice. And also, if you use that Final Cut Pro X, it go also with the, you know, sound effect, some few musics in there. The first time you used it is hard, confusing, like that. Also, guys, where I do my thumbnails, it's really, my thumbnail is just very easy, blah, boring. You know, it's not a big ridiculous other YouTubers that they have a really nice, they're really good of doing their thumbnails. Me, I use the PicMonkey. PicMonkey, you can do a lot of things, but if you are not a member, it's very limited. Which is a really good website for doing thumbnails. But if you pay monthly, I think the monthly is $4.99 or something, for something. It's gonna make it $5 a month, and I don't want to pay $5 for just doing thumbnails. But believe me, few people are doing that. It's unlimited, guys. You can do everything whatsoever in there. You can do anything, but you know, you can do a lot of things. So even if you are not a member, I'm gonna go close to the water, guys. And what else do I have to say? Oh, thank you to the people also. Some of you guys are concerned, like the driving of having a camera talking. Well, the camera is mounted over there in the dashboard or the glass, and sometimes I forget it. It's just there, play. And sometimes when it's done, it's just done itself, like, you know, like just died itself, and I don't have to just, like, you know, just be bothered while I'm driving. But thank you guys so much for the concern, and thank you. I really do appreciate it, guys. I feel like I have my own mother in here in this YouTube channel. I'm not insulting you guys. That my mother is not old, okay? My mother is young. It's 40 plus. What the heck is it over there? Time check, it is, I don't know what time, it's 5:18 in the afternoon, and there's a lot of people now here waiting for the sunset. And the moon, guys, is so pretty. The moon is right there. Yep, so pretty. Tommy just get here, guys. He just get home. Hi. Anyway, guys, it's already late. It's 11 o'clock in the evening.
10:30.
Huh?
10:30.
It's 10:30 in the evening. Bye, guys. Good night.
Alright. What kind of face is that for? That's what you want to put on your head? They can see up your nostrils. Oh no!
Sure.
They can see right up your nose.
No,
Count how many hairs you got in your nose. Yep.
Another insert shout out. And yeah, so shout out to Jocelyn Palomo. Hi sis, thank you for watching, and also belated happy birthday. I'm sorry if this is late. I forgot to wish you happy birthday on your birthday, April 8th. So, belated happy birthday, sis. Thank you for watching. And also, shout out to Melissa Cervantes. Hi, sis. Thank you for watching. And also, Macy and her boyfriend, Joaquin. Hi, Macy and Joaquin. Shout out to Michelle Dalit. Hi. I'm the one who's doing shout out. Tammy just get up, so I'm not gonna. I'm for sure he doesn't want to be, you know.
Hi, Michelle Dalit.
Yeah, so he doesn't want to be in the camera, guys. He just get up. So yeah, hi Michelle, thank you for watching. And also shout out to Gabriel and Chelsea, anak ni Ninita Rolorata. Hi guys. And also shout out Virgie from Sydney. Hi Virgie from Sydney, from New York. Hi, thank you guys for watching. Also shout out to Paula V. Orma. Oh my god, guys. Hi sis, we are Palanibor. We are Palanibor, sis. We are Palanibor. Wow, we live close together, sis. I know where you live. I see your house. Thank you, sis Paula, for watching, and thank you for the messages last night. And yes, so hi. And also shout out to Eileen. Hi, thank you for watching. Look at the cat behind me. And also shout out to Marie Ibarra. Hi Marie Ibarra, thank you for watching.
Taxi!
I know, guys, I have a hairy nose. What can I tell you? I'm not the one who's taking my hair off like this one by one. That's how he's doing this. That's really hurt, guys. It's like, oh my god, it's in my nose. Anyway, guys, good night, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Anyway, I don't really want to say bye, guys. I don't really want to say bye. I don't really want to say bye. Hey, baby, you don't even kiss me, hon.
Are you kidding, right?
No, you don't kiss me. You put your bag and you say, I need water, so cold.
Hon? Really? Wow. How old are you exactly? Play that back and see.
34, 33 years old.
93?
Hon?
Play that back.
93. Anyway, guys, good night, guys, because it's ridiculous now.
My guys, play it back and see.
Tell me people really because
You stand alone.
you should 70, 75. It's gonna be